My name is Angelica Hale. I'm 9 years old, and I'm a singer.
And who are you here with today?
I'm here with my mom and my dad, and I just found out that I'm gonna be a big sister.
Wow!
Singing has got me through lots of hard things in my life. I got sick with double pneumonia when I was 4 years old. My kidneys stopped working and needed a new kidney transplant. Thankfully, my mom, she was a match, and she gave me her kidney, and it was a successful surgery. And now there's a pretty rainbow of bunnies and flowers everywhere. And unicorns.
I'll rise up, I'll rise unafraid, I'll rise up.
This shouldn't actually happen.
Yes!
It was my dream to be on America's Got Talent. Like, I would watch it all the time, like, I want to be on there.
Are we ready to go knock them dead?
Yes!
Just to survive the medical ordeal that she's had to go through, and now here she is competing in America's Got Talent. This is amazing.
I want to make it to the live shows so bad. I've worked so hard to get to this point, so I gotta show them. I gotta do my best.
Hi, Angelica. How are you?
I'm good.
Are you a little bit less nervous than last time or more nervous? Because now we're like only one step away from the live shows.
A little more nervous, actually, but so excited.
What are you singing for us today?
I'm going to be singing Girl on Fire by Alicia Keys.
Oh.
A crowd favorite.
Well, Angelica, I wish you good luck today.
Thank you.
How funny too.
She's just a girl and she's on fire. Hotter than a fantasy, lonely like a highway. She's living in a world and it's on fire. Filled with catastrophe, but she knows she can fly away. Whoa, she got both feet on the ground and she's burning it down. Oh, she got her head in the clouds, but she's not backing down. This girl is on fire. This girl is on fire. She's walking on fire. This girl is on fire. Everybody said that she goes by, 'cause they can see the fame that's in her eyes. Watch her as she's lighting up the night. Nobody knows that she's a lonely girl, and it's a lonely world. But she gon' let it burn, baby, burn, baby. This girl is on fire. This girl is on fire. She's walking on fire. This girl is on fire. This girl is on fire.
Thank you.
All right, I want to hear what our judges have to say. Howie, what did you think?
I said, the first time, you remember what I said to you?
Yes.
What did I say to you?
You said I had a good chance of winning America's Got Talent. And Howie,
Yeah?
I'll never forget that.
Well, you know something, Angelica? I'll never forget you. And you know something? I still, tonight, have not changed my mind.
You are such a beautiful ray of light, and you have an amazing voice, an amazing stage presence. I just love you.